आपका दर्शन और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशल दर्शन ओनली ऑन डीवीटीवी। स्पेशल दर्शन के इस एपिसोड में हमारे साथ है वन ऑफ द रिनाउंड ऑथर ऑफ अ बेस्ट सेलर बुक मिस सरन्या। वेलकम टू आवर शो। एंड सबसे पहले तो आज मंडे है, आई विश यू ओम नमः शिवाय। Right. So, Saranya ma'am, we have read your books. I have personally read your two books. One is in the pipeline. How do you get the inspiration of these type of books?
Basically, my books are of genre inspiring romance. So, giving all the inspiration into a motivational book is not my idea. I want to actually give it in a form of a fiction so that people can relate as well as they can also learn along the way or like to get some inputs along the way. And I also get inspired by meeting a lot of people of different ages, their experiences. Then I make a story out of it. So that's the inspiration behind all these books.
Thank you so much. Your book, I have read the titles, One Day Life Will Change, Your Time Will Come, and the new one, Start Living Again. How do you get this idea of these type of tagline which already fill us ourselves into positivity?
I strongly believe in manifestation. So when we actually keep telling like one day life will change, like your time will come, it actually happens. So I also believe in this 369 technique where you need to write everything 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then 9 times in the night. 369, the same thing, whatever you want and it happens. You can manifest. So manifesting a positive title, speaking a positive title creates the positivity with the people actually.
Can you please elaborate the 369? Many of us, we don't know about the 369.
It can be anything, like you want to be you want to get a promotion, or you want so and so thing, or you want to succeed in love, life. Just write it out in a way that I have succeeded, thanks universe, or something like that. 3 times in the morning and 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times in the night, so that your mind will start actually working towards it. I know it works both scientifically as well. It's the Tesla number also.
Okay.
So you can actually manifest things. So my titles are positive, and keep saying that one day life will change, and obviously your life changes.
Wow, ultimate way. Now, the best part about reading your books is every common person can relate with it. How do you get your thoughts to that level? Because I have read books which are actually full of vocabulary, it goes above the head, and your book are so simpler to understand, so simpler to correct. How do you write? How do you get the inspiration to write these type of words?
My target is more of the first time readers. I ensure that I put like very easy vocabulary for them to understand. No one really has the time to open the dictionary, find out what that word means, and then continue the story. In this world, it's not possible. And I really want to encourage a lot of first time readers to pick my book, to get inspired. And that's why I keep it very simple so that they get the entire story also.
I've got many questions, but the last one. This is the first book which I have read where it starts from the end, and when it ends at the beginning. What's the thought process behind that?
It's simple. Every ending has a new beginning. So all my books, One Day Life Will Change, Your Time Will Come, it follows the same format. The first chapter is titled The End, and the last one as the beginning. Meaning that each and every one of us will go through some rough phase, one thing or the other. And we'll lose hope. On a daily basis, like we even think like, will it ever change? Or are we gonna get stuck in the same phase or not? So but it will change. You're not gonna stay in the same phase forever. And that's the whole point of this story. So it starts with the end, some kind of a negative phase, and what happens, so that you have a beautiful and then happy beginning at the end.
So keeping our finger crossed, and even we can sustain with a 0.01% hope.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But thank you so much for giving your time. It was pleasure speaking to you, and thank you for signing your books. It is an ultimate thing for me. Thank you for meeting me.
Thank you.
It is totally lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
इसी के साथ दर्शन बोरा करता है आप लोगों से विदा। आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, क्योंकि इस उम्मीद में मैं बैठा रहूंगा कि आप वापस जरूर आएंगे। टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग डीवीटीवी।